So we're doing our own ginger challenge, and what you have to do is we've just cut off a piece of ginger and halved it. On the count of 3, we're gonna eat it together. Okay, ready? 1, 2,
Enough now.
3. How did that feel? Is your throat burning? We survived. It wasn't too bad actually, and I heard that it's really good for you, so hopefully we won't have to halve it in the near future. We'll just eat it whole. But it's good to burn all the junk in your tummy. And I need some of that because I've been eating a lot of chocolate today. This is the first time that I've spent all day with my husband. We had some plans this morning and they didn't eventuate.
So ako via mooi met TV. Ja, she missing
I've also lost my card that I'm looking for, and it has money on it, but I can't find it, and I don't want I just keep delaying, and if I called a while ago I probably would have gotten one out by now, but the reason I keep delaying is because I feel like it's around here somewhere, and if I call and if I find it during the meantime, then I've just wasted that time, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so we decided to make I forgot what it's called actually, but it's, oh, there's not much left. It's this dish with capsicum and snow peas. I'm just gonna take whatever's left here. We literally got dressed and stayed home the whole day. And now we're cooking. Every time I do like silly things like that, he's always just in the back like, what the hell? We got ready today, we glammed up, and we stayed home the whole day. We didn't go anywhere. We had so many plans that were not fulfilled. We ended up staying home watching the Tua Samoa game, and unfortunately we lost. And just chilled with my dad all day because my mum is in Sydney at the moment, so he's a little bit of a loner. So we just stayed to keep him company. Now we're cooking some creamy Thai chicken stir fry, my specialty. So I've just cut up the chicken boobies, and I've got half a can of coconut cream. And my lovely husband here is stirring the chicken that I've spent some delicate time chopping up. And we've got capsicum and snow beans. Thank you. And can you stop eating all the Tim Tams, you fatty? We realized that we still haven't even told our testimony yet, so we're just waiting for a time to actually sit down and write down the main points of our testimonies to tell you guys, because it truly was a long hard journey. There were so many doubts in our minds, you know, questions, frustration, and it really was a test for our marriage and our faith. But we just thank God that he is just so faithful, and he pulled through for us, despite having those feelings of frustration and doubt. What can I say? God is amazing and God is good. Yeah. Bon appetit, everyone.